Hey everyone! So I have a bunch of paints in my bin here that I want to use up. Haha. So I thought, what a better way to do it than doing a dirty pour so I can use a bunch of paint. So I've got a variety of colors here, and I'm going to use some fresh mixes as well. So I have white, and I have the Lucas Arctic, and this is Artist Loft Light Blue. This is Soho Olive Green. I'm not sure what this is, but we're going to use it up. It looks like a blackberry, purpley blue. There's not much in there. And this one is Prussian Blue. And then I have Phthalo Green. And Phthalo Yellow Green. And Manganese Blue Hue. This is a Soho color. I love this color. It's just beautiful. Artist Loft Metallic Black. And this is probably, yeah, this is a baby blue pearl. A little metallic, but I want to use it up. It's just sitting there. Some of the colors I have that I'd love to use up, these just don't go with this. So I don't want to throw any purple in here. So I'm going to do 4 cups because I'll probably have one that I'm not going to use that I'll use for a musical flip cup or pour. So I've got those 4 there. And I am going to spray them with the WD-40 silicone spray. Not for cells. However, it will create some cells because I'm not going to rub it in. And that stuff is very smidgy. That's Polish for stinky. So I think I'm going to start with, I kind of like the ribbony effect. So let's start with white. But I'm not going to layer on top of that white. I want to shove it down through. And the color I'm going to shove down through that is going to be this phthalo green. So I'm pouring up high. So it goes down into the white. All my paints have treadmill silicone in them. In case you're wondering what silicone I use. And that's available on Amazon. It's called Spot On Treadmill Silicone. Okay, so now I'm going to go with this purpley blue funky color that I'm not going to have enough for all 3 cups, I don't think. Or all 4 cups. This is going to stand out like a sore thumb, you watch. Every time I use this color, that happens. It ends up looking more purple. So I think I'll follow that with this blue pearl color. Maybe I can counteract it a little bit. And I'm going to use that up. Okay, so how about some manganese hue? Now I'm going to mix it up a little, and I'm going to throw some black in there. I have a hard time getting black to show up in my pours when I mix them in a dirty pour like that, unless it's on the bottom. Phthalo yellow, what is that? Jeez, I forget already. Yellow green. Hello. It's called Old Timers. Not Alzheimer's, Old Timers. beautiful Prussian blue that I love so much with that lime green. And yes, I'm going to use it all. I want these cups pretty full. We're doing a 16 by 20 canvas, so it's different when you're flip cupping. Oh, that cup is so pretty. Can you see it? Flip cups, you can get away with it, but when you're pouring, you really have to have enough paint. What is that in there? There's something in it. Paper or something. I can't wait to see what this olive green's gonna do. I'm probably gonna hate it. Give another shot of white. And some more light blue. And I think I'll put more of this manganese blue in there. Do you see where I'm going with all my filming this week? It's all blues and turquoises and greens. Okay. Use that one up. And I'll top it off with a little bit of black. Then I'm going to stir these. I'll probably put a little more white in there. No, not white. Not white. I got a lot of phthalo green in there on the top. Let's see. I could do some aqua. Shoving it down through that black. Okay. Alright, so now that we have our cups all layered up, we can pour them out. And I'm not going to pour it in lines like some people do. I'm going to do some swirling. And I gotta set this one aside. I'm going to keep this black out in case I need to touch anything with some black. This olive green's pretty much spent. I better give my little swirl. Oh, there's a lot of black in there. They all come out different. Every pour. Gosh, that cup is just so pretty. Makes you almost not want to swirl it. Too late. I'm going to save that one aside. Alright, we are at 8 minutes, so almost 9 minutes, so we better get moving here. Okay, I'm just going to do my thingy. Oh, that's cool. Got cells coming up through the white. Where am I going to go with this third cup? See, this is just the norm. I always get paintings that have those colors. I'm not brave enough to try too many different things. I'm going to save that little bit in case I need a ribbon. There's like quite a few of them now. Okay, let me give it a torch. And as usual, nothing wants to come up through those ribbons. bad paint. Alright, let's see what happens. Love those two corners, so I think I'm going to go this way first because I'm not fond of all that lacing. I'm just trying to get it all together here. I think I might have a train wreck on my hands here. Okay, so I'm going to go this way first. Oh, the runoff is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to have to save this pad for skins. Bringing it back to the middle. Okay. Yep, the olive green is sore thumb on the painting. Hopefully, I don't like this, but I don't know how to not keep it. I guess I could dump it off. I don't want to lose that. I'm sorry, you can't see me. Yes, I'm getting rid of a lot of paint. Look at all that paint. It's wasteful. This is going to be a very dark painting when it dries. But I love this here. And all that white is lacing, so I don't have an issue with that either. I want to make sure I don't mess up that. Get my corner up there. Okay. Try to get it out of the spotlights as much as possible. She's dark. She's going to be very dark when she dries. But when I have that happen, I use them for backgrounds for other stuff. I just have a whole box full of paintings that I have plans for to do some palette work on, palette knife work, some flowers, and this is definitely an under the sea type spooky deep sea diving. But it's a good way to use up your paints. Because this will change so much, and you guys will see it on my Facebook page probably on the weekend. All depends when you're watching this one. So I like that band of that manganese blue. Trying to heat up that paint without scorching it. It'll do its magic while it's sitting. It is. It's very oceanic. Like a reef. Yeah. We'll see when it's dry, right? So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below and click on the bell to be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and you can share and leave a comment. Oh, that blue is so pretty coming up through there. I think I might like this when it's dry more than I do right now. But it's always the ones that I'm like, are the ones that sell like that. Remember that. You don't have to like it. As long as you think it's sellable, leave it, because you're going to have someone come in and say, oh, I love that. And you'll be like, really? So don't scrape, guys. I always tell everybody, if it looks balanced and the colors are not putrid, muddy, putrid colors, don't scrape it. You can always pour over it if it doesn't sell. Just don't scrape. I try not to scrape. I only scrape if I know I made a boo-boo and I need to fix it. So, all right. With that being said, I'll show this on a future video when it's dry, and you'll see it on Facebook too at Christina Welch Art. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.